Hello and welcome to the Penrith Business Parks. Another sunny day down here, but a bit chilly today, but we're on Gilwilly. I'll just give you a little show around, see if you recognise it. We're on Bowerbank Way, and today I am visiting Nilfisk. So it's one of those businesses, I don't know if people drive past and you see the sign and you think, what is Nilfisk? What goes on in there? And actually, I've just been in and I'm quite surprised how huge this place is and what happens in here. So we're going to go inside and I'm going to meet the team and find out a bit more about what happens. Let's go in. Got a few people to meet today. I'll turn my camera around. There we go.
Hi there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So do you want to introduce yourselves first so we know who we're talking to?
Definitely. I'll start first. I'm Audrey Ball. I'm the marketing specialist for Nilfisk UK and Ireland.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Hal. I'm the customer care manager for the UK and Ireland of Nilfisk.
Excellent. So thank you very much for taking time out to see me today. I was just saying that we often drive past and we see these big signs outside and names of businesses, but don't really know what goes on inside.
What we do, absolutely.
What you do. So can you tell me a little bit, what is Nilfisk? What do you do here?
We're a cleaning machinery manufacturer.
Okay.
We make everything from small consumer pressure washers or vacuums right through to road sweepers, industrial vacuums, everything in between.
Wow.
So,
And we're 116 years old.
I was just going to say, how long have you been going? 116 years old. Wow, that's
116 years
amazing.
old. Started out in Denmark under Fisker and Nielsen, so hence the Nilfisk.
Right.
Two words merged. And have been in the UK and Ireland since the 1980s.
80s or maybe sooner. We started in the UK as Q cleaning equipment in this building.
Uh-huh.
So pressure washers is how we started out. That was then taken over by a company called Alto.
Right,
Which
yeah.
was then again bought into Nilfisk at a later date. So that was how we've, in the UK at least, that's how we've merged through.
Amazing. And I suppose that amount of time, we've got some quite interesting items behind you here as well. So
into our reception area, which has got lots of very old vacuums and scrubber dryers in here that we've had over time. And I don't know the dates, but we call it our museum.
they're quite special, aren't
Very
they?
special.
But I'm guessing what you produce these days is a little bit more modern, a bit more technical.
It certainly is, and you might get a glimpse of them. Absolutely, it is. So, we mentioned that it's an industrial product that we produce. It is professional. It's targeted at businesses across the UK and Ireland to address their cleaning requirements, whether it's a warehouse and logistics environment or whether it's hospitality, retail. Then Nilfisk has got a very wide range of professional machines to help them with that.
Right, so it's mainly B2B. I wouldn't necessarily walk in here off the street and come and buy a pressure washer off you.
No, you wouldn't.
You could find a Nilfisk consumer pressure washer, but you'll find it in the likes of Amazon and B&Q.
Okay, right.
Some of the bigger retailers, yes.
Yes.
So we're mainly business to business, industrial sort of customers that you work with.
Yes, certainly.
Interesting, excellent. And it is a massive building, I have to say. I was quite surprised when I came in. So do you want to show me?
Of course. So first
Around?
area that we'll go into is the production area. We've actually got a training course going on in there at the moment. We have a small production where we hand assemble some pressure washer, a range of pressure washers that we sell. So you will see some of that. And what we'll do is we'll talk to Ian. He's our technical manager. He'll explain some of what's going on.
Okay, let's have a look over here.
Yep.
Should we go this way? We'll go around. Look at the size of this area. It's huge. Good morning, Ian.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the workshop of Nilfisk Penrith.
Well, you just wouldn't imagine that this was in this building. Tell me a little bit about what happens in here.
This is the production area of Nilfisk where we build bespoke machines for certain applications in the industry, from cold pressure washers to floor cleaning equipment. We do on-site training courses here for our delegates. Here we have some delegates from all over Europe, from Poland, from Sweden, and they're doing training now on our new robotic machine, which is operator-free machines, which is the industry norm now, which is coming up.
So where would you sort of find those types of machines?
These now are being used in offices, warehouses, where labour is getting quite intensive on the wage side. So now the robotic machines are coming in where they can be operator free, so which is a cost saving to the end user. So
right. That's great.
I think it's AI the future is now.
Yeah, I think that's the saying.
And hopefully I can maybe show you one of these running out if I ask Gary if you can.
Yeah. Well, it would be great to see that. So we're gonna see one of these interrupt the training session, and we're gonna have a look at how this actually works. We can hear it.
Well, this is our dual machine, which can be operator used or it can be used by itself. And Gary's going to now show us. He's programmed the machine to do a certain area of floor space.
Oh, okay.
So the machine will automatically put water down, scrub the floor, pick it all back up, all in one go.
Oh wow! And that is manufactured, manufactured here.
It's designed and manufactured in our other manufacturing plants abroad, and it's imported into the UK and throughout Europe or throughout the world.
Right.
And
wow.
we do various sizes of the machines. This particular one is a ride-on machine, but as you can see now, the operator will hopefully set it off for us now without operator free. So he's programmed the machine to do that area.
So literally, he's sat on them.
The machine covers are enclosed now for the service technicians to do the training on.
Yep.
But now you program the machine, you map the floor, as it's called. So the whole area that you map the machine then has the capabilities to do it himself while the operator is doing another cleaning task elsewhere.
Multitasking at its best.
Hence the term labour-saving device.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And it's not just things like that you produce, is it? It's like pressure washers and other...
We produce vacuum cleaners, we produce floor cleaning machines, we produce small items like pressure washers here.
Right.
This is just a cold water pressure washer that we do actually build in Penrith.
Okay. That's made right here.
We have a little production team over here and they build machines, about 600 units per annum to suit the industry, bespoke industries that the main manufacturing plants can do. So this is a cold pressure washer here. So you can see the industrial unit to meet the demand of hard applications.
Fantastic. Made right here in Penrith.
Yeah, so I'll just ask...
oh, there we go, they're waiting for us. Let's see it in action. This is the future, isn't it? This is the future right here.
That's going to go, hopefully. Are we good to go? There we go.
Oh.
Now, if it meets any obstacle, this machine will auto-stop, hopefully.
Everyone running out the way. It's like there was some men in the way.
Now it'll monitor again, it'll set off again now.
We're not going to get run over, are we, Ian?
No, we won't get run over, I can assure you.
Look at it, just go in. So you get people from all over the world coming here learning how to use these.
Each country has its own setup, like Penrith, basically. So
right.
They tend to do their own, but because we have a designated trainer in the UK, people come to this specialist equipment to be trained by Gary over here.
Wow.
So there's a lot of technology being invested in this product.
Yeah. Look at it, just driving itself, cleaning the floor.
And then we have the SC60.
All in one go.
Sorry? The SC60.
Yeah.
The SC60.
Yeah, absolutely.
There we go. Future of cleaning.
Future of cleaning, indeed.
Right here in Penrith.
6 hours cleaning per charge, battery charge.
Oh, fantastic.
So it frees up an operator for 6 hours to do something else.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
And how many employees do you have here in Penrith?
Penrith, we have about 42, 45 in Penrith.
Right.
And then the UK and Ireland total is about
150 people.
That's consisting of engineers, salesmen, etc.
And customer care.
Fantastic. Well, it's just amazing to look. It's still going. It's still going. I may well get run over. Stood here in a minute. Oh well, it should stop, shouldn't it? I shouldn't get run over. That's amazing. Thank you very much again for showing me around. It's absolutely fascinating. Here it comes. Here it comes. I'm going to turn around. There we go. Oh, it's going past. I didn't get run over. We're okay. So there we go. Future of cleaning right here in Penrith. Who knew? Thanks very much for the team
Pleasure.
for talking to me today. It's another amazing business right here in Penrith on the business parks. I'll be back again soon with another insight into another business. Bye.